You think you're eating healthy, but this one ingredient sitting in your kitchen is quietly lowering your testosterone, wrecking your joints, and inflaming your gut. And it's in almost everything.
Seed oils, canola, soybean, sunflower, corn oil, entered the human diet less than 100 years ago. Before that, men cooked with butter, tallow, and lard. Seed oils are packed with linoleic acid. Too much of it destroys your balance. That imbalance triggers inflammation and shuts down testosterone production. Too much omega-6 suppresses testosterone. It wrecks how your liver handles fat. And every time you heat seed oils, they oxidize, releasing compounds that damage your cells. I cut seed oils entirely, switched to butter, ghee, beef tallow, and olive oil. Gradually, the brain fog lifted, the joint inflammation dropped. I hadn't changed anything else. It's not complicated. Read the label. If you see canola, soybean, or sunflower oil, put it back. Your body wasn't built for it, and your testosterone is paying the price every time you don't.